First question to the supporters of Darwinism theory is, do they consider this evolution as a whole? I conclude, even today's science is devious in believing it. If modern science believes that humans originated from chimpanzees, does it describe primitive humans as vegetarians or carnivores? In all the books, primitive humans have been described as non-vegetarians. If according to Darwin, mankind originated from the monkey species, would humans also imitate the monkey species in their diet or imitate wild animals? Hasn't the scientific world itself questioned Darwin's evolution by describing the primitive human race as carnivorous? When a monkey, or chimpanzee, was never a carnivorous, how did the primitive man become a carnivorous? Because it must have the pedal qualities of a monkey. The second thing. Almost all the creatures in this world know how to swim in water. Even a buffalo cub, who has never seen a pond in the desert, starts swimming as soon as he lands in the water. Scientists who believe Darwin's evolution to be the eternal truth of the monkey species from which the human race originated also consider the quality of swimming in water to be innate, but does the human child know how to swim in water congenitally? No. He has to learn. Now what kind of Darwinian evolution is it that the monkey species knows how to swim congenitally, but the child of a man made of it forgot to swim? What kind of evolution is this? If Darwin's evolution was true, then humans should have been able to swim in birth just like the monkey species. Naturally, this so-called evolution is incomplete science. The third thing. There are two types of visual animals in this world. The baby is born, and the eggs first come into the egg, from which the baby is born. In all the species where the baby is born directly, including the monkey species, the umbilical cord attached to the mother's womb is automatically broken as soon as it is born. But in humans, this umbilical cord does not break on its own. Why is that? Has to be cut, tied. If this is not done, then a difficult situation arises. Such difficult events also occur in other creatures as an exception, but that is not a rule, it is an exception. Now the question arises whether the umbilical cord in other animals breaks on its own but not in humans. Does it fit into Darwin's theory of evolution or evolution? If man had originated from the monkey species, his umbilical cord would also have broken automatically at the time of delivery, but this would not have happened anywhere. It is never possible even on the basis of human anatomy. Many such questions need to be raised. There are many mysteries of this creation, which science does not yet have an answer to. Just as science accepts it, why doesn't science accept that it is still trying to find answers about living beings on this earth? And the final answer is yet to be received. On this basis, scientists should avoid placing Darwin's evolution as the ultimate truth. This would be a more appropriate situation for the world of science.